Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and today let me show you how to replace your rotor and your brake pad for the 2012 Toyota Sienna. First, what you need to do is you need to loose the brake reservoir right here. So make sure you loose it so when we compress the piston, uh, the oil inside could come out. And then okay, what you need to do is jack the car up, of course. And you know, this thing is very convenient. If you want one, you should get it, the one that's you don't have to use a manual, automatic, that hook up to your car battery. And the jack is really nice. So after you jack it up, go ahead and remove the wheel, which is, this is a 21 millimeter. After that, just remove the wheel. So after you got that done, go ahead and remove the two bolts in the back, a 14 millimeter, one on top and one on bottom. One on bottom. Ooh. And then you just pull this out. There. Now I'll just hang this up here. Now after that, go ahead and remove this two clip right here. And now you should able to pry this out with a flathead. One. Same thing with the second one. Two. Now in the back here, there's see, there's one bolt, and the top one, another one on top here. There's 17. Let's go ahead and remove that to remove this caliper right here. So it's a 17. So you got 2 bolts. Now you take it out. Now next thing you do is to pull out the rotor. Next thing you do is pull out the rotor. If the rotor is not coming out, go ahead and use a hammer and tap on it. So this thing got rust, a lot of rust. I cannot get out. I try everything. I try use a hammer, pound it, spray with W40. Nothing work. Nothing even move. And I finally have to use this kit right here. So this is one of those rotor puller kit that's help you. Basically what you do is you screw both of them in the side of the rotor, and then you use this thing, and the tighter you screw it in, the tighter it push out. So basically it's push out, this one push in, and this one's pulling out. So man, this is the thing you need if your rotor really got rusty and stuck. And this is the only way I can remove it. Try it with this, nothing work. So finally I can remove it. As you can see, see it's rusted inside. See, nothing worked except that. So I'm gonna put a little anti-sealer here, clean this up, and put a little anti-sealer here, so next time if I need to replace the roller, it won't be rusted and won't be stuck. Like this one. Now the second important thing is you want to do is you want to clean one of those pins. The pin from here, both of them. So basically this thing, you just pull it out and just clean out the boot from each and make sure it's good. And then what you want to do is you want to get this synthetic caliber grease. This thing, the temperature can last up to 500 Fahrenheit. So this is what you need. Don't put the regular grease in it. Okay, you need a caliber grease. This one, right? And just loop it if you have one. This. So this is the bottom pin. The one you see this here is the bottom pin, and the other one don't have this line right here. That's a top pin. What you want to do is you want to grease from here all the way down up here. Don't grease on this part. So grease it up. Don't grease it too much. Just a little bit will do. So clean up and just grease it. Just spread it out. So it's very important to grease this pin right here, because you don't want this pin to get stuck. If it gets stuck, then your brake won't go all the way in. So grease it up a good amount. And then go ahead and put it back in. Put it back in. There you go. So it should easily popping up. As you can see, it should easily go up and down. See that? See that? So it should be easily going up and down. So that's it. You clean. So I cleaned this one already. What I do is, a lot of people don't do it, but I'll do it. I put a little grease in here where the clip is, both sides. I put a little grease in there, so the brake pad go in and out easily. So you can do it. Some people don't do it, but I do it. But that's up to you. I'll go ahead and clean the other side rotor and put it in a little. Go ahead and clean this up. Put a little anti-seat, and then we should pep up the brake pad, and then we put everything back in. So I'll be right back. So I put a little anti-seat in there. I'll go ahead and grab the rotor and put it in. Put the rotor in. So for the rotor, what I want to do is, you want to line up. So you want to line up the rotor straight. So it's easier for later on when you put in the caliper. So what I did is I screw two of them in, so it hold the rotor straight. So it's easy for me to later on put in the caliper. There you go. Now look nice and neat. And then I'll go ahead and now I'll go ahead and grease the caliper up, and then put in. Now, like I said, after you cleaning this bracket right here, what I did is I put a little grease here on location where the brake pad will go in, so it will, when it's so it's smoother when it's going in and out without making noise. But you don't have to do this. A lot of people don't do this. But I just do it, so it's on your preferences if you want to do it or not. So it's already clean. So you already looped the pin, and all you need to do is put it back. There's two 17 bolt in the back. So let me put it so you can see. So you got a two 17 bolt, one on top, one on the bottom. Just go ahead and put it in. Slide this in, this side. Slide this in. And blow it up. Sorry about blocking the way, but here it is. Not sure you can see it. So the bottom one's right here. I'll go ahead and line it up. Yeah, line up right here on the bottom. And then you got the top one on top right here. So you're supposed to is a the torque spec for the both of the bolt is 60 pound. So now you got that in. Now all you do is, next thing you're gonna do is clean up the caliper. Clean up the caliper, and then or we can let's do the brake pad in first. So we got the brake pad. Brake pad is right here. Brake pad. What I do is I remove the old clip from the backpack, from the old clip, the clip from the old brake pad, and then put it in the new one. So I just reused the old clip because a lot of people have problem with the new clip when you install it in, and it doesn't fit right. So as long as your old clip is still good, then it's fine. So what you want is you want to insert it at the bottom. So if your roller rolling this way, you want to insert it at the bottom right here. Last one. Go ahead and remove the other clip. So the whole process of installing the rotor and the brake pad is not hard. It's just a lot of time consuming when you have to do all this cleanup stuff. That's all. So since it's your car, just take your time. I always take my time when I do it. Make sure everything is nice and clean. Okay. Got it in. So what I did is I put a little grease up here, and also the grease on the slide, the clip right here. But a lot of people don't do it. Like I said, a lot of people just leave it dry. But I'll do it because I think it's helped with the noise. So it's easy for the slider to go back in now. But this is up to you. So if you want to do it, go ahead and do it. If you don't, then you don't have to do it. It's just a matter of choices. Okay, that's it. Go ahead and put it back in. So this one gonna go in the outside, and this way. Oh. Put this in first, and then I got this in. There you go. Nice and good. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'll go ahead and put the other side on. So both of them in nice and neat. So you got this pin thingy you want to put it on. Right. Now it's time to clean up the caliper. I'll go ahead and clean that up. And be right back. So this is the tool I use to put the piston back in. So you put the old brake pad in here. And then you got this tool right here, which is cost like $8. And all you do is you insert it, and then you just turn this, and then it push the piston back inside. So that's it. Now you got the piston all the way back in. So what you want to do is, for me, I just put a little grease right here on the side, and then around the piston a little bit. But then again, that's just me. If you don't want to do it, that's fine. A lot of people just do it dry, and it still works for them. So not a lot, just a little bit. And now all you need to do, your last step, is just put in the caliper. And then you got the 14mm screw. Bolt, just put in. And then you all set. Go ahead and turn this around. Align it. And just put in the bolt. And the bolt in the bottom. Now the torque spec for both bolt is 20 pound. So it's 20 pound. £20. Should do it. So that's it. Everything is nice. Work. And you can unscrew this. Take out the nut. Take out this nut. So basically that's it. So all you need to do is put back the tire in and you are done. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.